Good morning to all my dear Bhaiya Bahan. We are again going to start the same chapter, that is the third level. We have already read so many things in this chapter, that who was Charlie, what does he want in his life, what does he think about modern age, how did he forget in the third level station. We all know that this station is about Grand Central Station in New York. It is very huge station. Its branches are like banyan tree, and there is huge crowd in this station. So the person who is not aware about this station, he can be lost there. So we are going to start the next paragraph today. See the paragraph. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station. Although I have tried often enough, Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. And after a while I stopped. I went back to my stamps, but now we are both looking every weekend because now we have proof that the third level is still there. My friend Sam Winner disappeared. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam was a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. And I went to school there, and he always said he liked the sound of the place and that where he is all right in 1894. In this paragraph, we see Charlie said, but unfortunately, he could never find the way to the third level corridor again. Despite hard efforts, his wife Louisa was pretty worried when she got to know about it all. After a while, he went back to finding distractions with the help of stamps. Somehow, Sam the psychiatrist disappeared out of the blue. Charlie suspected that he had gone to Galesburg. He finds himself in the time space of 1894. Now, see the next paragraph. Because one night, fussing with my stamp collection, I found, as well as do you know, what a first day cover is. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of sale. And the postmark proves the date. The envelope is called first day cover. They are never opened. You just put blank paper in the envelope, fussing so unnecessary or excessive concern about something. In this paragraph, the writer says, one night Charlie came across a first day cover. It is an envelope with a stamp on it that stamp collectors mail to themselves on the first day, and it's sealed to mark the date. They are just blank inside and are not meant to be opened. Now you can write some difficult words. Write down. Staring means looking intently. Nodded means shook his head. Bills means currency or notes. Ant means is not. Skin me means deceive me or loot me. Won't get very far means won't succeed much. Cash drawer means drawer in which cash is kept. Coin dealers means those who buy and sell coins. Premium, an additional amount other than the normal. Cent, cent is US dollar. Disappeared means went away. Suspected means doubted. Fussing means too much importance to a small thing. Now see the next paragraph, and this will be the last paragraph. That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there, but there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. That's what the address on the envelope said, and it had been there since July 1894, and the postmark showed that, yet I didn't remember it at all. The stamp was 6 cent, dull brown, with a picture of President Garfield. Naturally, when the envelope came to Granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there until I took it out and opened it. The paper inside wasn't blank, it read. In this paragraph, we see that night he found by surprise one of his grandfather's old first day covers. Someone had mailed it to his father at his home at Galesburg. As he saw from the address on the envelope, the postmark showed that it had been there since July 1894. The stamp had a picture of President Garfield on it. It was a 6 cent dull brown color stamp. His grandfather had put it in his stamp collection, and the Charlie now discovered it. The paper inside and a letter written in it. The letter read as 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. Charlie. Now, see the next paragraph. Charlie, in the letter, what was written? See the writings. I got to wishing that you were right. Then I got to believing you were right. And Charlie, it is true, I found the third level. I have been here 2 weeks, and right now, down the street at the Layas, someone is playing a piano, and they are all out on the front porch singing and seeing Nellie home, and I am invited over for lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Keep looking till you find the third level. It is worth it, believe me. In this letter, Charlie talked about how the writer wished his third level story was true until he actually started believing it to be true. He had found the third level and had been there for 2 weeks. He describes the place he was at that time. He asks Charlie and Louisa to never stop searching for the third level and come back. The note is signed Sam. At the stamp and coin store I go to, I found out that Sam bought $800 and worth of old style currency. That ought to set him up in a nice little hay, feed and grain business. He always said that was what he really wished he could do. And he certainly cannot go back to his old business, not in Galesburg, Illinois in 1894. His old business, why Sam was my psychiatrist. In this paragraph, we see the letter had been signed off as Sam. We all know that who was Sam. Sam was a psychiatrist friend of Charlie. Charlie found out from the coin store that he used to visit that Sam had bought old currency worth $800, which was to be utilized in a hay feed and grain business, which what he always wished to do. He could not go back to his old business, certainly not in Galesburg, Illinois. The story ends at a mysterious note where Charlie is wondering that Sam is psychiatrist. So in this story we have seen the third level refers to an additional floor at the Grand Central Station, which originally only had 2 levels. Charlie was hallucinating one night while going home when he reached the third level. Now write down some meanings. Mail. Mail means to post. Granddad means grandfather. Porch means an entrance covered by a roof outside the front door. Out means should. Hay means straw. In the last paragraph, we have seen that Charlie also finds a rare marked envelope. It was addressed to his grandfather at his home in Galesburg. The postmark showed the date 18th July 1894. The letter was addressed to Charlie. Sam claimed to have found the third level. He asked Charlie and his wife, Louisa, keeps looking for the third level. The letter was written and signed by Sam. So, I think here is the most mysterious thing was that Sam was his psychiatrist friend. And in this chapter, we have come to know that in this chapter, Jack Finney interweaves fantasy and reality. The third level is nothing but a product of Charlie's own mind. It is certainly a medium of escape for Charlie. In this story, we have seen life in modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worries and stress. Man has to confront them all the times. The harsh realities of life make living quite unpleasant and even unbearable. So, Charlie wants to escape into a wistful world, into an imaginary world. Charlie talks to his psychiatrist friend about the third level at the Grand Central Station. His friend calls it a waking dream with fulfillment. Charlie just wants to escape from the cruel realities of life. He possesses an escapist tendency. Even his stamp collecting is a temporary refuge from reality. The compulsions of modern life make Charlie escape into a world of fancy and romance. His grandfather didn't need any refuge from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful in those days, means in the old days. The Grand Central Station has been an exit, a way of escape for Charlie. He wanders down to the third level at the Grand Central. He finds himself into the world of 1894. It was a world of romance with wooden gates, derby hats, beards and sideburns. Thus we have finished this chapter. If you will have any problem, you can ask me in the next class and you will prepare all question answers from the text. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.